today we are making brownie. So, first thing we'll need, which I totally forgot to get, is a bowl. So, I'm going to go get... Now that I've got my bowl, we're going to put the brownie mix into it. So, rip it open. Yep. Open it up. I always hate opening these because I feel it's going to go everywhere. But I didn't get it everywhere this time. Totally fine. Putting my wrapper in the bin. Next, I need the box back. Next, we need to mix the eggs into the bowl. 1 egg, 2 eggs, put them in. I also need a spoon. As you can see, I was not very prepared to do this. Perfect. Well, now that's filled in. Just quickly. Yep. Put the eggs in. Oh no. I think it's okay. And the other egg. There we go. We also need the butter, which I also forgot. So now that I've got my butter and washed my hands, I am going to open up the butter and put 80 grams in. So I've got my scales here. So that is 23 grams, 45 grams, 76 grams, 4 more grams. Tori! She's going after a bird. Don't worry, she won't get it. It's just, she barks at them. 80 grams exactly. So now, move our scales and our butter out of here. And we mix it together. This is the worst bit because you just start off very, very slow and then go really fast, which might take a little while. So I'll get back to you guys after I'm finished mixing. Now that I have finished mixing, it should look somewhat like this. Sticky. So now, in a prepared tray that is square, put some baking paper over and spray it. So now, all you want to do, just put your brownie mix into the tray. Or at least somewhat. You want to make sure you try and get every little bit out. And it's okay if you try and you don't, because then you get to lick the bowl. And that's my favourite part of baking. It's definitely licking the bowl. But I'm trying to scrape as much as I can out of the bowl. Once it's all in, you just want to try and push it into the corners a bit, but trying not to make it too thin. So, it'll look like this. I like to sometimes to make it flat. And then, you come and put it in the oven. You see, the oven is on. We're going to put it in the oven. Now it's in the oven. Okay, the brownie has finished cooking. It's very hot because it literally just came out of the oven. So I'm going to get my sister and we are going to try this brownie. I'm not sure if it is ready, so
Let's see.
Yeah, that's ready. Just gotta cut it. I hate cutting brownie because I feel like the slices are either too big or too small.
That's too small.
Okay. Oh, you would get out 2 plates. Oh, it's hot.
One plate.
Maybe we should let it cool.
Maybe.
Okay, we'll be back in like 2 minutes.
So that's not going in.
It is. So, we've got our brownie here, and we're going to taste it. Grab your piece. Warm. Chocolatey. Give us some words.
Good.
More words.
Tasty.
More words. It's warm and gooey and good. So good. Any other words?
No.
Okay, well, I guess that's the end of the video. See you guys next time. Bye.